What are the three most fundamental defining properties of all living organisms? The three most fundamental defining properties are metabolism, cellular organization, and consciousness. These are present in all living forms without expectation. Why are scientific names preferred over common names in biology? Scientific names are universally accepted. Common names vary from region to region and language to language, leading to confusion, while a scientific name refers to only one specific organism worldwide. Briefly explain the concept of couplet in a taxonomic key. In a taxonomic key, a couplet refers to a pair of contrasting characters. When using the key, a choice is made between these two statements, one which is accepted and the other is rejected, guiding the identification process. How do museums serve as taxonomic lists? A museum house collection of preserved plants and animals, often in preservative solution or as dry specimen. They provide valuable material for study, research, and comparison of species. What is the significance of the Lin abbreviation often seen after scientific name? Lin indicates the name of the author who first described and named the species. It is a convention in binomial nomenclature to create the original describer. Difference between this is not important. Why is it said that properties of tissue are emergent properties? Properties of tissues are emergent because they are not present in the individual cell forming them. These properties arise due to the interactions and organization among the constituent cells, demonstrating a new level of complexity. Question number 8. Give one. This is not important. What is the main purpose of zoological parks? Used as a taxonomic. Zoological parks keeps wild animals in protected environment, allowing observation of their behavior, food habits, and reproduction. They are crucial for conservation efforts, especially for breeding endangered species and for public education about worldwide. If an organism can grow and reproduce, does it necessarily mean it is a living organism? Explain. Not necessary. While growth and reproduction are characteristic of living organisms, they are not defining properties of all. For example, mountains grow and mules cannot reproduce. Therefore, an organism must also exhibit metabolism, cellular organism, and consciousness to be universally considered living. Thank you.